Meron tayong baril ngayon. This is model M202. Usually ginagamit ng mga blue guards natin. Try natin ipaputok kung pwede ba pang self-defense. 38 Special, Rock Island. Okay? Pwede. Pwede siyang pang self-defense na kaya yung pagtanggol ng mga blue guards natin ang ganitong klaseng revolver. So guys, mag-ingat kayo. So while you're shooting, of course, wear your proper gear, eye protection and earplugs before firing.